Making disciples who multiply can sound like an overwhelming task, but it doesn't have to be that complicated. It just takes consistency. There are 4 simple habits every disciple maker should start with. Number 1. Pray with and for others daily. No movement to Christ has been started without large amounts of prayer. After all, God is the only one who can bring someone to Himself. Use the prayer calendar to pray with someone every day on the phone. Start a prayer gathering to pray for your neighborhood and personal relationships. Number 2. Regularly spend time with people who don't follow Jesus. Discipleship comes through relationship. You'll have an opportunity to invite someone to a Discovery Bible study once you've interacted with them consistently. Take up a weekly hobby, volunteer somewhere regularly, or have some meaningful conversations at work. Number 3. Participate in a community of people committed to living out the Great Commission and Great Commandments. Disciple making was never meant to be done alone. Bring tag-alongs to your engagements with the lost. Start a disciple-making community to encourage and pray for each other. Join our private prayer page to share requests and intercede for disciple makers around the world. Number 4. Learn continually. We always have room to grow. We offer coaching for disciple makers just like you. We also have a podcast for up-to-date tips on disciple making. As you pray continually, engage those who don't know Jesus, build community with other disciple makers, and keep on learning, soon enough, you'll begin to see God change the world around you.